The age of overstimulation. We live in an era of hyperstimulation. Every second, our brain is bombarded with notifications, social media, short videos, games, ultra-processed food, online shopping, pornography, and countless other triggers that release excessive dopamine. 1. Have you ever stopped to think about the consequences of this? We are becoming more anxious, unproductive, and unable to focus on what truly matters. The vicious cycle of dopamine traps us in a state of instant gratification and keeps us from pursuing greater, more meaningful achievements. Today, I'm going to introduce you to a revolutionary strategy that can completely transform your professional and emotional life: dopamine intermittent fasting. 2. What is dopamine and how does it affect your life? Dopamine is the neurotransmitter of reward and pleasure. It is essential for motivation, decision-making, and learning. But when we overstimulate it with easy pleasures, we desensitize our brain, making it harder to feel satisfaction from activities that require more effort, like working on a big project, studying, or building healthy relationships. Dopamine fasting is a strategy to reset your brain, restore your ability to experience balanced pleasure, and increase your discipline and productivity. 3. Benefits of dopamine intermittent fasting. Imagine being able to deeply focus on your work, enjoy your real achievements, and reduce anxiety and procrastination. Dopamine fasting offers incredible benefits like increased productivity. Fewer distractions mean more time to focus on what really matters. Improved focus and discipline. Your brain becomes more sensitive to long-term rewards. Reduced anxiety and stress. Fewer artificial stimuli help balance your emotions. More pleasure from small achievements. Life regains its flavor without constant gratification. 4. How to practice dopamine intermittent fasting. Dopamine fasting doesn't mean cutting out all of life's pleasures. It's about reducing or temporarily eliminating artificial stimuli so your brain can rebalance. Here are some ways to practice it. Short fast 24 hours. Avoid social media, digital media, and any source of quick entertainment. Spend the day without music, videos, or electronic stimuli. Practice reading, writing, or meditation. Moderate fast, several days, significantly reduce social media use. Avoid ultra-processed foods and choose natural options. Spend more time outdoors without technological distractions. Dedicate time to long-term projects like learning a new skill. Continuous fast lifestyle. Adopt conscious consumption of technology and entertainment. Practice delayed gratification. Before watching or eating something pleasurable, complete a productive task. Invest your time in real goals, career, health, and relationships. 5. The importance of dopamine fasting for professional success. Dopamine fasting enhances your ability to focus, stay disciplined, and build mental resilience. In the professional world, this translates to higher productivity at work or in studies, smarter decision-making without impulsive reactions, resilience and perseverance, essential for high performers and entrepreneurs. Successful people know that the greatest rewards come in the long term. Who controls their dopamine controls their life. 6. The impact of dopamine fasting on emotional life. Overstimulation affects not only your career, but also your emotional health and relationships. Reducing artificial stimuli helps to strengthen real connections, since you won't be distracted by cheap dopamine. Improve self-esteem, as your satisfaction comes from real achievements. Reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression, creating a more balanced mind. If you want deeper relationships and a healthy emotional life, controlling your dopamine is essential. 7. The power of taking back control. The world wants to keep you trapped in the cycle of instant gratification. But you don't have to be a victim of this system. By practicing dopamine intermittent fasting, you reclaim your power, your energy, and your ability to build an incredible life. If you want to be more disciplined, productive, and emotionally balanced, start today. Challenge yourself to reduce easy stimuli and watch your life transform. Now I ask you, are you ready to take control and create a new reality for yourself? Leave a comment and share this video with someone who needs this message. If this message resonated with you, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next videos, and share this with someone who needs to break free from the cycle of instant gratification. Your transformation starts now, and it can inspire others too.